Now your application is complete, we're ready to publish it. Publishing in Visual Builder consists of two stages. The first is called Stage, a testing environment, so you can test your app. Once you're happy, you can move to the second stage and publish it. Before we actually publish, let's go back to the business objects. If you look on the Overview tab, you'll see that there's a checkbox. This allows us to indicate that this business object contains application setup data. This means that the data from this BO is going to be copied into each instance of the app. So let's set that for the departments object and the location. Now we're ready to go to the main menu, look at all our applications, select the application we're working on, and from the menu, select Stage. We've got two options. We can stage the application with a completely clean database, or we can populate it with development data. We'll take this option so that the employee data, as well as the application setup data, will be copied into our stage environment for testing. The application is now ready for testing, so we select the stage status and notice that we have a URL. So we have a brand new instance of our application with a specific URL. We can provide this URL to our peers so that they can play with the app. And now we're ready to test. So let's select one record and update the department to IT and the location. And just to check what that's done, let's go to our Stats tab and see that we have 2 employees now in IT. Now we're happy and we're finished with the testing. We can go back to the main menu and this time in the menu for our app, select the Publish option. Again, we can either include the data from Stage or we can publish the application with a clean database. And of course, remember that our application setup data will always be moved to this new production instance. For this demo, we're going to include the data from Stage. But very often, you would choose to publish your application with a clean database. So click Publish. And now we have the live URL that we can select and provide to the users for production purposes. And that's it. Congratulations! You've just published your first Visual Builder application.